Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. So this video today is going to be showing you some updated Animal Company promo codes in 2026. These are by far the best available promo codes for Animal Company, allowing you to get tons of free coins, you can get free research points, you can even unlock all skins for free. So these Animal Company promo codes are by far the very best. I spent a long time searching Google and also watching other YouTube videos, and these are the best I found. So before I show you guys how to go ahead and get these Animal Company promo codes, make sure you like this tutorial and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. I do plan on making more updated tutorials and Animal Company promo code videos. So let's get into it. What you need to do, guys, is just use your mobile phone to get your Animal Company promo code, and then you can go ahead and redeem it in game. So use your mobile. I'm using an iPhone. You can do this on Android as well. You just need an internet connection and head on over to this website. So let's type it in: www.coldcoupons.com. So it's very important you to spell it correctly. Cold coupons. Let's go ahead and take you to this website. And as you can see, this is basically a game code website. They have pages, hundreds and hundreds of pages, and they actually have, I managed to find, an Animal Company promo codes page. So just type in, hopefully you can actually type animal, here we go, Animal Company, and there are 5 verified working promo codes, and guys, each one is absolutely awesome, and this is really popular as well. So you can get Animal Company promo codes to unlock all skins. You can get 100 free research points, which is absolutely awesome. You can even get 25,000 free company coins. You can unlock a mod menu. So this is going to give you some secret mods, and you can unlock all items. So guys, these are simple promo codes that you can enter in game, and it's going to give you tons of free stuff. So let's just select the all skins one. I'm just going to run through the steps that you need to take, guys, but I've already done this, so I don't want to waste these limited codes, because as you can see, they are limited. There's like 600 plus of these free skins codes, and because they're limited, it does mean you need to unlock your personal code, and these are unique and personal to you guys. So once you get your code, make sure you use it for yourself, because it is a one-time use code. So click on get full code, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page to unlock your personal promo code for Animal Company. As you can see, the set of instructions tells you here, complete 2 of the free tasks below. So basically, guys, you're going to have a list of applications and stuff. They're all completely free, and essentially you just need to complete 2 of them. It's going to take you about 5 minutes, but it is well worth it. Just make sure you do read the description as well, because that basically tells you exactly what you need to do. And the ones at the top tend to be the easiest, so just keep that in mind. So just complete 2 of them, and if you do that, it will then redirect you back to this page, and your Animal Company promo code will be unlocked, and the full code will be shown in the box. And you just go ahead, go to the computer, redeem it in game, and this one is going to unlock all skins for free, but they do have other promo codes as well. So these are by far the best Animal Company promo codes in 2026. Make sure you drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one.